Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mostbet promo code in Pakistan. This is really easy, but before we continue, I invite you to create a professional Mostbet account, and to do this you will click on register. Next you are going to enter all your information, and at the promo code section you are going to enter the promo code SANU. By using this promo code you will get 300% bonus, so if you top up your account with $50 you will get $150. Now you are simply going to create an accumulator. So for that you are going to click on the menu icon at the top left. Next you are going to click on pregame. Then you are simply going to scroll on the football matches or whichever football or whichever sport you wish to place a bet on it, and create an accumulator by selecting some outcomes. Now once you have selected some outcomes on different matches, you are simply going to click here on outcome, and now you are going to find out all your accumulator. Now, as you have completed your first deposit after your registration using the promo code mentioned earlier, you are going to have a bonus. But here on your accumulator, you can still come and place the promo code here. Simply here on this section of have a promo code, and here you are going to enter your promo code. Once this is done, you are going to enter the amount and place your bet normally in order to earn much more by the help of the promo code. And it's as simple as that.